gonna show you how we were going to clean our vegetables, fruits in our truck, guys, since we don't have running water in here. So shout out to all truck drivers, truck wives, you know, people who are just living mobile. We don't have you know what I'm saying, because you've been going through this situation, guys, and according to my friend, guys, now we should really, and according to my common sense, that we should really clean our vegetables and fruits, you know, everything that's raw that we were gonna eat, because of the, you know, because of the COVID virus right now, guys. And we don't know if the people who prepared it will go is contaminating our food. So we need to clean it, guys, especially when you have kids at home. We really need to clean it, guys. And I am just thrilled, guys, if we have running water right now, so it's really easy for us. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe, guys, to be notified for our new videos. And we are up to bringing you and giving you informative videos, guys, with content that we will going to help our lives, you know, and in different ways. Okay, so hold on in my video, and please keep watching until the end.
Guys, ito na, guys, we need this baking soda, guys, sprinkle of this, and water to clean this vegetables that we have here. See that? Already prepared it, guys. This one here. We put water in it, guys. It's not a lot. I'm gonna put the baking soda. Add water again, guys. Like half of this gallon. See that? We're in the truck stop right now, guys. See the trucks. So what we have to do is to just do like that, you know, for every one of them, because this water have baking soda, guys. Don't put a lot of baking soda. Yeah, that's it, guys. Because baking soda is a natural way of cleaning the pesticide, guys, of the vegetables that we have. So right now, and all of these things, guys, I'm gonna transfer it to a container, to a clean container. Okay, hold on. I already let it sit for a while, guys, with the baking soda. This one. So all we have to do, guys, is to remove this. Sorry, guys, I have really a little space in here because we're in the truck. And so what we have to do is we're just gonna put it in there. Put this. This is what we're doing. We are cleaning the stinger with baking soda. Water with baking soda, guys. In such way, guys, we are getting rid of the pesticide from these fruits and vegetables, as well as the virus and germs. You know, it has baking soda, water, like that. This water, guys, with that avocado, guys. I'm gonna put this ginger and mango. Remove this because this is too much. This is my favorite, guys, napa cabbage. Just gonna put it in there.
is the fruits and vegetables, guys, that we already clean. We already soak with baking soda, and then we already clean with water in the bucket, guys, so that this will be cleaned and clean from pesticides and other stuff. So this is celery, onions, mango, avocado, bell pepper, napa cabbage, banana, ginger, guys. It's already clean for us, you know, to eat. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you're going to enjoy my video, and I hope you have something that's you were gonna put in mind. That's really easy, guys, especially when you live in a truck and a mobile house, that you need to walk in not far to get water. But you know, as long as you can get water, we will be fine. So that's it, guys. Please subscribe, please like our video if you like our infos. Bye.